Welcome to this quick tutorial showing you how to access your Zoom Pilates class on an Android mobile phone. I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy. You should receive an email with a link to your Zoom class along with a meeting ID and passcode. Make a note of the ID and passcode because you'll need these later. Your class date and time is also shown in this email. Click on the link to join the Zoom meeting and then select Download from Google Play. The Google Play Store will open and just press Install to download the app. When the install's finished, click Open and Zoom will load. You want to press the big blue Join a Meeting button, and here you need to enter the meeting ID from the email that you received. I'm using my partner's phone, so I'm also just going to change the name to my own and then press the blue Join button. Next, enter the meeting passcode from your email. You'll need to agree to the terms, and then press Allow to give Zoom access to your phone camera. Your video should appear, then click Join with Video. Press Allow again to give Zoom access to your microphone. You'll see a series of icons at the bottom of your screen. If you select Start Video, that's going to turn your video off. I'll keep mine off for this tutorial. Next, press Join Audio and select Call over Internet. Your mic will now be live. Your mic will automatically be muted during your class, but if you want to switch it off before then, you can select this button once again to mute yourself. If we select the Participant button, it will show you a list of anyone else who is in the class. If you select More, you'll see an option for Chat. This opens a chat window where you can send a message to everyone else in the class. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see a speaker symbol. If you accidentally press this, it will mute the audio from the class, so you won't be able to hear me speak anymore. Make sure this is unmuted. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see that red button that says Leave. By pressing this, you can leave the meeting. If you've already got the app on your Android phone, it's even easier to join a class. We don't need to remember the meeting ID and passcode. Instead, if you just click on the link in the email, it will automatically open your Zoom meeting. It's as simple as that.